My dear viewers, pay attention to today's show because I'm gonna give you my special recipe of a blend of natural remedies and plants that can help you a lot to prevent upper respiratory tract infection. For everyone who wants to quickly prevent colds, viruses and flu, this tea is a wonderful natural remedies. Echinacea, hyssop, peppermint and the thyme are perfect plants that will help you. Today, they gave you a recipe for this herbal tea, which you will make in dose of 35 servings. Recipe: 50 milligrams dried, chopped, cut and stewed echinacea root, 25 milligrams dry hyssop, 25 milligrams dry peppermint, 25 milligrams dry thyme, 2 cups of boiling water per dose, raw honey or stevia for sweetening, optional. First, in a medium bowl, combine echinacea root, hyssop, peppermint and the thyme. Second, transfer the tea blend to airtight container, label and date the blend. Third, to prepare a serving of tea, put 2 tablespoons of dried herb mixture in the 2 cups of boiling water and allow the herbs steep for the 10 to 15 minutes. Fourth, strain in the large mug, compose the solid, sweeten with the honey if using, drink the entire dose 3 times a day until symptoms subside. Store the loose tea in the cool, dry place, out of direct sunlight, up for the 1 year. All of these natural remedies are perfect for your upper respiratory tract infection. This blend of these special herbs is gonna help you a lot. Why you not make this special tea? Store it in your closet, in your kitchen. Every time you want to prevent, if you have any kind of this problem, it's gonna help you a lot. If you want to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you a lot with upper respiratory tract infections, click here on this video. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.